Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. I see Joy Sunday. Always a good thing, right? Alright, get it out of there. Okay, we have 2 Joy Sunday kits, and they come from the PaintSomeWay store. And if they have any discount codes, any specials, or if I have any discount codes, it'll be right in here. So let's take the one on top. It's a Joy Sunday, like I mentioned before. It feels kind of big. Let's see what it looks like. All right. This is 55 by 46. It's called Windmill number 1. And, not windmill, I'm sorry, watermill. It was $11.99. So I just thought it was pretty. I think there's going to be a little bit of back stitching. I'm not sure how much. I can't really judge from here. But I just liked it. I liked all the scenery and the pink flowers over there. You got these beautiful trees. We got flowers down here as well. So it is 269 stitches by 208. And this pattern book is split up into 8 parts. So let's take a gander. So yeah, there's some straight line stitching and just kind of some nominal stitching in that tree, or the trees, just branches, so not too bad. We have 45 total colors. We have full stitch, half stitch, French knot, and back stitch. Let's see what we have here. No 310 black. Okay, that's amazing. We have 498 red, which is the brick red. We have 823, which is that darker blue. No 939. We have 3371. It's listed here for some back stitching. So evidently there's no full stitch of the dark brown. It's just used for the back stitching. We have, let's see, B5200 and a crew for your white and off-white. We have one color, which is white in French knots. Maybe that goes in the flowers? I'm not sure. And 3 half stitches and 4 back stitches. But a total of 45 colors. But very nicely printed. There is only one set of symbols, so these symbols go to this paper pattern. But I had never seen this kit before. So, yeah, let's take a gander. Alright, it has 2 thread cards, 2 needles. It comes on the good thread card that tells you all the information, plus your product number is here. This is 2 of 2, and this is 1 of 2. So we'll start here. We've got some bright oranges, kind of some dark rose color. There we have some teal, kind of a pale teal turquoise. There's your 5200 and your crew and your 3371. So very nice. Beautiful, just beautiful, beautiful colors. They seem, we got a mix of light and dark colors, but for 90% of it, it is darker colors, but it doesn't give the appearance of it being like a fall scene. It looks more summerish, if you will. So that's kind of good, but I guess all those fall colors go into that building, so it'll be beautiful. Just stunning. I know you love it when I say stunning. Yeah. They're all stunning. What can I say? Okay, let's look at the canvas. The canvas is serged all the way around. I'm going to open it up. We have the name of the kit and the product number. Nice, big, huge key. Very easy to see symbols and read the DMC numbers and the thread card number. And I will hold it as still as I possibly can. It looks very detailed and very well printed. I do like that. And it's almost a square here. It looks, didn't think it was that square, but I guess I didn't pay attention too much. Let's see, 55.5 centimeters or 21 3/4 inches by 18 1/4 inches or 46 centimeters. So it's a little wider than it is up and down. Actual is 15 inches or 38 centimeters. And this way it is almost, or excuse me, it's a little over 18 1/4 inches or a tad bit over 46 centimeters. So yeah, I'm looking forward to starting this. This is going to be beautiful. Very well printed. I love it. And it wasn't wet. Yay. Hip hip hooray. PaintSomeWay. Yay. All right, let's take a look at the next one. The next one is 47 by 47, $10.99. Now, little warning here, this might be a trigger for some people. So if you want, you can skip ahead if you like. Pull this out and let me flip it over. Things change for the better. And the way it was written, it said, snakes bring good luck. So there is your trigger. But I just thought it was cute. I just love that snake. It is just too cute. It's almost as pretty as the other one that I have. And you know me, I don't like snakes, but this was just cute. 47 by 47, 14 count. The other one was 14 count as well. That's 217 stitches by 217 stitches. And this pattern book is divided into 6 parts. They're nice and big. There is going to be some back stitching. Just gorgeous. I love all the colors. I like the oranges and the greens together. It almost looks like Christmas, except it's more on the orange side than it is the green-red. But very well done. Nice big areas. This is a huge picture. So it is a partial. Whoops. Let's look at the colors. Okay, this has 2 sets of numbers. Top set goes to the paper pattern. Bottom set goes to the canvas. This has a total of 70 colors, guys. So you have full stitch, 70 colors. You have 2 1/4 stitch, no half cross stitch, no French knots, and 6 colors in back stitch. So we have 310 black, 498 red, 666 red, no 823, no 939. It does have 995 and 996 in those 2 lovely shades of turquoise. And we do have 3371. I'm not seeing that pewter color in this either. And we have 3865 and 3866 for white. So, yeah, that is a wide variety. 70 colors, guys. I didn't think it was that extensive. Holy cow. Let's take a look at the colors. If I could just talk. I was out in the wind yesterday. Now, this does not come on the really good thread card. It does have 2 needles. This one just has numbers. There's your 995 and 996. No, that's the other ones. I'm sorry. Maybe not. Where did I see that? I know I saw that. 9. Where is it? 44 and 45. Okay. Oh, here we go. They're right there. Those two blues. Yeah, I was like losing my mind. But I did happen to see that these all have what the shade of the thread is going to be. So there is a line here and here, a little bit here, and then your 995 of all shades of turquoises and blues. But very pretty colors. This is more to a teal tone than a turquoise. We have lots of greens, lots of oranges and reds. Beautiful, beautiful colors. And this is 666 red. This is 498. And we have browns, reds, oranges, greens, you name it. It's almost a rainbow, but there's no purples that I'm seeing. I may have missed it, but I don't think there's any purples in this. So just beautiful, beautiful colors. Whoops, let me put everything together because heaven knows stuff gets separated or falls off my desk. Let's look at the canvas and see what it looks like. Nice big canvas. Product number, the name of the product, how many stitches per stitch. But nice big key here. Just absolutely gorgeous. Very well done, and you do not do the background. That's what makes it a partial. But yeah, let me fold. Here we go again. Fold that so you can see how good the symbols are. Very well done. I'm not seeing a lot of confetti at all. Maybe a tad around here on her coat, and maybe up on the top of his head. You know, just slightly, but it's not carried away. Not carried away at all. Whoop, sorry. And let's see what it is. It's 48 centimeters, or a little over 18 3/4 inches by 47 centimeters, or 18.5. So it's almost square. Actual picture size is 39.5 centimeters, or 15.5 inches by 39.5 or 15.5 inches. So it is, the picture is square, the canvas, the total canvas isn't. But yeah, I think this will be, I can't talk today. I think this will be fairly easy to do, and like I said, the back stitching will bring things out, but it seems like straight line back stitching. When I say that, it means that you don't have to go around a bunch of leaves and make a bunch of branches and all that and get real detailed. It's just like her eyes and his eyes and the tops of things and around these things that are, I guess those are firecrackers, running down the side. I'm not real sure, but yeah, I thought it was interesting. So this is the second. Probably might not have any more. Depends what Joy Sunday comes up with. But I just thought it was kind of cute. Every once in a while, you got to get cutesy. Now, that is all that I got from PaintSomeWay. Thank you, PaintSomeWay, for these two beautiful kits. I'm glad neither one of them were wet. There's nothing ruined. They're perfect. Joy Sunday. I got Joy Sunday on the brain. PaintSomeWay has cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. They also do custom. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And they have beaded cross-stitch, silk cross-stitch. They have it all. They always have a wide selection, great prices, and great deals. So everybody's having spring sales now, so do check them out. thank you everyone for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless.